The Maniago knife maker's Fara folder was made in collaboration with Italian Mercury manufacturer in Maniago. It was designed by Lucas Burnley, a New Mexico blade designer who has designed blades for top brands such as Bohler and CRKT. It's interesting to note that the Fara was initially designed by Burnley to be a liner lock. Mercury decided to use its slip joint lock instead, and it must be said that the result is quite good. The Fara is a folder knife with a stainless steel 76mm long and 2.5mm thick blade, built using Böhler M390 Microclean steel stock, tempered to a 58 to 60 Rockwell hardness. The blade is micro-sand blasted, satin finished, and to operate it, an opening nick mimicking a small filler is milled on the blade. The open length of the knife is 178mm. Weight ranges from 75 to 90 grams depending on the material of the handle. In this case, we see that the Fara has a handle with two liners and a wood grips. A small leather sheath with belt loop is also included with each Fara, and it's a good thing, as we'd like to note that the knife does not feature a clip. As we said, the Fara is a slip joint. Therefore, there is no positive lock built in the knife, such as a liner lock or frame lock. This has been done to be able to sell the knife in those countries, like Germany, that do not allow knife carry of folders that feature a positive lock. The Fara is available with a full titanium handle, in black anodized aluminum without internal liners, and in two versions with internal stainless steel liners and Santos or Ulivo wood grips. The Fara manufacturer's suggested retail price ranges from 140 to 160 euros according to the handle version.